And in this lesson, we're going to be learning how to create 100% professional logo without hiring expensive graphic designers or using anybody's help, all by yourself without any knowledge of graphic design or whatsoever, only using free AI tools. Okay, so the possibilities are endless these days. If you're not making money, if you're not starting your business, you're not branding your business online, it's your fault, because these days you don't even need to have any money to start out. You don't even need to hire anybody to help out, because we now have AI, and with the power of AI, you can do anything. So let's get right to it. This is the website we're going to be using to get logo ideas. Okay, so let me just click on this particular website. Let's open the app. And if you've been checking our previous tutorial, I always come here because here the resolutions are quite high. You can also use any other images online, but on Pinterest the resolutions are usually high, and then you have millions of ideas you can use. So just come to the search bar and click on for example, let's use a food business logo. So let's assume, well, okay, I like this design. So let's assume you're into food business and you want to start out. Okay, so you can just come here and type food business logo ideas, or food business logo, or catering services logo. And even if you're into fashion, I mean fashion design, hair making, just come here and put salon logos or hair stylist logo ideas, anything. Your possibilities are actually limitless with AI, and we are going to use free AI tools to generate these images without paying anybody. Okay, so let's assume I love this particular design, this logo. Okay, the logo says Sarah's Kitchen. Okay, I need to stress that all the logos here are just templates. Okay, they don't belong to anybody. Most of them, you can see Vitizi, these are free logo websites. This one is from Free Pick. Okay, most of them are free. They are not for any businesses, so you don't need to worry about having the same logo with anybody. And then even if you don't want your logo to be the same with these logos, you can tweak the colors, you can tweak the designs. So just let's start anyways. So I'm interested in this particular logo. Just download it to your phone or to your laptop. Okay, and then you go to ChatGPT. So the only difference is that you're adding the name, your own name. Okay, so if you also want to change the color, you can tell ChatGPT to make it red, blue, black. Okay, but you can change that in the prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT has given you the exact prompt you will use. So let's take this to let's copy this to our document now. So copy this, just click on this, click on that sign, it will copy, take it to your document so that we can edit it to be sure that it's giving us the same thing we want. Okay, so let's go here and so let's paste the prompt here. This is the prompt: logo design prompt. Okay, 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 great. So let's go back to ChatGPT to get the rest of the prompt. Negative prompt. You have to include this negative prompt. I've told you in previous lessons, so that put negative prompt here. Okay, so that it won't give you something you don't want. Okay, so these are the recommended settings. Okay, so you can also add this. Okay, you don't need to add this. It will still give you what you want. Okay. You okay? The first tool we'll be using is ChatGPT. Okay. You can also use ChatGPT to design your logos. So after copying the prompt, you go to a new chat. Okay. Go to a new chat and go to this your logo chip GPT. You are still using logo chip GPT, please, but it's a new chat. Okay. So paste your prompt. Paste your prompt. Okay. So paste your prompt here. If you still want to change any of the colors, you can change it. Okay. And then create your logo. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us, whether it's something you like. Okay, did you see? Okay, so you can see that it's not exactly the logo you put, but you're still having something similar, you know. So those ideas you're putting in is not going to give you exactly the same, but it's just going to give you something to start. So with this, my people, you can even do business with this thing I'm teaching you. You can do a business. You can start making logos, okay, for people. In subsequent videos, I will show you how you can start this as a business, okay. All the lessons we have taken so far, you can start your own business based on these skills you have learned. Okay, so we're also going to be using another tool for this logo design. That is what we call Leonardo.ai. So we are going to be using Nano Banana Pro. So just click on this type prompt, add your prompt. Okay, that's the prompt of the logo. Then include the logo that you downloaded. Okay, include a reference image. Okay, so this is the logo you downloaded. Just click on it. Okay, so let's generate. Okay, so this is what Nano Banana, this is what Leonardo AI has gotten for. If you want to download it, just click on save image to device. Okay, so like I said, with AI, you should not be broke in 2026. With AI, you should not be broke. You can start any business. Any business. Okay? So you can see that we replicated this same logo. You can change the color if you want it to look different. You can adjust the design. Do you understand? This is a logo. And if you want to make the background transparent, that's in PNG format, you can also tell the AI and it will give you a a transparent version. Okay, so that will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next class.